Hello, good evening. So today's video is about how to create table in Oracle database. So to create a table in Oracle database, we are using SQL statement create table. So let's open SQL plus. I have Oracle database 19C installed in my system. So let's open SQL plus. Type in the username as system and entering the password. So it is logged in successfully. So let's create a table in Oracle database by using statement create table. So the statement is create table and the table name is employees, bracket, enter, and we have to create a table. In the table we have three columns, okay, and the first one is employee, employee ID, and the data type used is number. So why we are using data type number here? Because the ID will be in the form of any number. Okay, so the second column is first name of the employee. And the data type used is varchar 250. The last name, second column, third column is last name varchar 2 bracket 50. And the fourth one is hire date. The data type used is date, and the last one is salary. The data type used is number. And in the closing bracket we are using and the semicolon. Okay, and pressing the enter. So it's showing error at line 7. I'm pasting again the code. So the table is created. So the table is created. Okay, so that was about how to create a table employees in Oracle database. Okay, thank you. Do like, share, and subscribe Focus Flix. Have a nice day.